What if the light in your home did more than glow? What if it transformed the way you live? For one company, that's the mission. Today on Homeworthy, we step inside the Kichler booth at KBIS 2026, where we meet Christina Christopher.
Christina, you are sort of the queen of lighting, I would say. 27 years of experience.
Yes, so fell in love early on at a college career fair with light bulbs, saw a light bar with different types of lamps, different types of light output, and just became obsessed with it and followed it through for my entire career.
Today, she's helping lead a brand with 85 years of craftsmanship into a new era.
So we've been in business for 85 years, known for truly timeless craftsmanship. Now we're introducing something that's called our Truth of Materials, where we're really focused on the construction materials. So we've introduced true solid brass construction into the line for 2026, along with lacquered bronze and brass finishes, as well as true North American walnut on the top of our tenon pendant, which is something that not a lot of folks are doing. Also other materials that are super elevated, like true leather wrapped around the handle of a picture light.
As we tour, Christina makes one thing clear: beauty is only half of the story. The true transformation lies in the quality of the light itself.
In addition to the beautiful design of the products, we're really focused on the quality of the light output. So if you get the CRI wrong, the fixture can be beautiful all day long, but if the CRI and the quality of the light output is not right, it doesn't matter. It's going to disrupt the space.
Is there such thing as like a perfect CRI?
Yeah, you want 90 or above CRI. You want to make sure that you're looking for any rating that's 90 or above.
In the kitchen display, Christina breaks down the AAA and the hidden heroes of lighting.
So when I talk about the AAA, I mean ambient, accent, and action, but also more commonly known as task lighting.
Right. I feel like we have a lot to talk about in this area.
Yeah.
There's a lot of lighting going on. Should we start with these beautiful...
Absolutely. So accent, think about accent lighting. Accent lighting is going to be your decorative lighting. These are truly jewelry pendants for the home. You see the soft arch detail around the top of the glass. We follow that detail all the way up around the canopy. We want to make sure that we're always cohesive in our design from top to bottom. Additionally, we're really focused on chain design. Chain can somewhat be monotonous, right, in the market. Everybody just uses the same chain. We're inspired by making sure that we're using detailed and ornate chain for every single fixture that's unique to that fixture's design. So making it have a story from top to bottom and truly feel like jewelry. When you've got these beautiful frosted cabinet doors, right, like you want to highlight what's behind there. Making sure if it's your china, whatever it might be, your beautiful glassware, having that LED tape light that's very much hidden. It's a hidden hero. I always like to say to people, let lighting be the hidden hero of your space.
We look up at Kichler's newest ceiling fans, reimagined with feminine detailing, cohesive silhouettes, built-in Wi-Fi, and ambient lighting. Smart, seamless, and free of clunky add-ons.
Fans can somewhat feel masculine at times. Designers don't always love them. So we're really focused on how do we attract that different customer to the product.
And make something that's really practical, beautiful.
Yes, absolutely. Like, functionality is so needed and wanted, but sometimes it doesn't bring that beauty that maybe a chandelier would bring to the space.
And their lighting goes beyond indoors. From exterior fixtures to landscape lighting, Kichler and its sister brand Progress Lighting deliver a complete whole home solution for every style and budget.
So with both brands, we offer an extensive exterior decorative line as well. What you'll see from Progress, we're scaled right. We've got the post light, the pendant light, the small light, the medium, and the large, and then scaling up on Kichler, going extra large on the exterior decorative. But in addition to, with Kichler, we also offer an amazing landscape lighting line. Landscape lighting is also what I would call a silent hero for the exterior of the home. It highlights the beauty of the brick, of the siding, of the paint, of the pillars, the doors, the front doors, really accentuating all the money that you spent on your beautiful landscaping, your trees, your bushes, just really bringing that to the table, and then bringing technology and features to that category as well. Customers want adjustability with their lumen output, their beam angles, their color temperature, so we're giving them that with our new 2026 product release in landscape lighting.
Walking through, it's clear. lighting is no longer an afterthought. It's architectural, technological, and it's emotional.
I'm so excited about what we're doing in all of our individual categories. We're really raising the bar in every which way, whether it's design, whether it's scale, whether it's technology, and whether it's materials, and just bringing that to an audience that maybe doesn't know that about Kichler, and really reinventing who Kichler is to the broad audience.
And when lighting is done right, you don't just see it, you feel it.
Thanks for watching. Be sure to go to homeworthy.com for exclusive content, shopping guides, and so much more.